Welcome to the third annual Pimp My Wave project. We're here at Blue Wave Boats here in Seminole, Oklahoma. We've done this 3 years in a row and it's still just as exciting as the very first time. It's a new customer every time, chosen at random through a unique selection process at the Owners Tournament in Port Aransas, Texas.
Let's hear what your wife has to say. Are you crying? Is your mom crying?
Yep. This will be the third boat that we brought back to the factory. We're going to work on this boat from bow to stern and make sure that this boat is completely pimped out as it goes back to the family. This year's winner is the Miller family, Joe and Kimberly. They live in Corpus Christi, Texas, and they were selected at the Owners Tournament in Port Aransas. They went through a very unique selection process this year called Needle In A Haystack. We met with the Miller family after that, and you'll see the excitement in all the family as they kind of start daydreaming and brainstorming towards what they might like to see.
But I can tell you right now that I certainly never dreamed in my wildest imagination that we would actually win it. The boat that we have is great. It's been awesome having that boat for the past 8 years, whatever, how long we've had it. But it could use some TLC, and especially seeing, you know, some of the new stuff that Blue Wave has come out with and the new things you're doing with boats. And we've been seeing some of that. I just can't wait.
I'd like to talk to Jackson for just a minute, because Jackson is very passionate about what he does in the boat. What's your dad's favorite color?
Red and blue.
What about a place to put an anchor? We talked about an anchor storage in the boat, because right now you have one storage hatch in your front deck. Now we could put another one in the front and you could have a spot for an anchor, and it could be out of your way from your storage box. How about that?
Yep.
Does your dad stand up and drive?
Yeah, he does stand up and drive.
Do you think he would like the cyclone seat that he's sitting in right now? Would that make your dad happy?
Yeah, I think so. So he can kind of feel like he's standing, but when he's really not.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You should call it the magic seat then.
Yeah.
You're standing,
Right.
but you're really not.
Right.
How about a jack plate? Do you have a jack plate?
I don't have a jack plate.
You don't have a jack plate.
Most of the fishing that we do is in, 4 to 12 feet of water. Honestly, that's the kind of fishing that we typically do. The other thing I would use a lot is, we talked about anchoring and sort of the hassle of getting the anchor in the mud and in and out, and even in 5 feet of water. The anchor pole, I don't know what those things are called, but I know you put one on David's boat last year.
And how about shade?
Shade. We'd love a T-top. The only limitation for us with a T-top is that I park my boat under.
It's not a limitation.
Well, it could
It's
be.
not.
It could be. I park my boat under an RV cover. We got a carport.
I think you're going to be happy when the final product's done.
We appreciate it. We're overjoyed. It's been a great boat, and we're just looking forward to seeing what else happens.
The Pimp My Wave is a very unique promotion. We will go to the customer's location and pick up the boat, have some brief conversations with them about the way they fish, what they like and don't like, and then kind of leave them in the dark about what is going to actually happen to their boat. We get it back on site. Through working with our team and our quality vendors, we come up with a customization list of items, and we just get to work.
I just figured out it wasn't going to be me. I thought, well, I'm going to get a fishing pole. I know I'm going to get a free fishing pole.
You saw the video last year, right? Of David's boat with the lights on the back and all that stuff? You saw it. I know you saw it because you're
I can't really answer that question.
Okay, did you know that next year somebody's going to be watching?
Yeah, right.
Somebody's going to be watching you on TV? Can you believe that?
Nope.
Your girlfriend's watching you.
I don't have one.
You might after all these girls see you on TV.
After the Pimp My Wave.
There you
man.
go. have a serious question. Who is going to call and tell your sister that you guys just won the Pimp My Wave at the Blue Wave Owners Tournament?
I have no idea because my mom took away her phone.
Oh!
That's true. That's true.
A couple of years ago, when
No, it's been about 4 months. She's 15.
no, it
Cell
hasn't been
phones.
4 months. It's been, I think it's
So
been
Dad,
2 years.
Dad, here's your chance to threaten all the boys.
Right. Don't come to my house. I'm watching you.